Hi, I'm George Burnett with Fourscore Physical Therapy. I'm in charge of the healthy eating section. I've given seminars on healthy eating all across America, and now I'm in the kitchen with you. Let's make juice number 22, the Hogback, number 22 for my juice bar. It is carrot apple. It is a great one. So let's get going. All right, you'll need about 4 carrots, depends on size of this, and this is gonna make pretty close to a full pint. All right, knock down there. And here we go. Now, apples, carrot apple. If you want to do a little less, some people are worried about maybe sugars in apple. So we'll do some Granny Smith, which if you look at it, if you kind of checked it out, yeah, there is a little less actual sugars. Now, these are healthy, good sugars. I don't get too worried about getting these kind of sugars. And so let's do some carrot, rotate back and forth here. And we're talking beta-carotene, vitamins and minerals, and antioxidants. Here we go, we're gonna fill this pint right up here, okay? 2 apples and about 4 to 5 carrots there, and you've got a nice full pint of carrot apple, one of the best drinks there is. Still filling that up. This juicer's got a little shut off on it, so yeah, we're going over the pint. All right, turn that juicer off there. Perfect. Carrot apple drink, okay? It's a fantastic one. Beautiful. Super healthy. Now the apple's gonna sweeten that up. Now I made one of the drinks, as you'll see in one of the other videos, and that was 21. That was just straight carrot. Some people need a little more sweetener to it. Carrot apple then, okay? About 50-50 carrot apple, okay? Again, beta-carotene, vitamins, minerals, antioxidants. Really, we talk a lot about our antioxidants because those are the things that protect our cells from free radicals. Free radicals go in there and they damage our cells. I mean, we need the antioxidants to protect it. Check me out on it, okay, if you like. So check it out. Now, how do you measure antioxidants? That right there, okay? That's the device. One of the scores that we have, that we check in Fourscore Physical Therapy is your antioxidant levels with this technology. Looks at your tissue with a beam of light and gives a score. You want a high score of antioxidants because that's gonna help you stay young longer. And we want you to be your best. That's our goal here. So I hope you get on the program. Call us, get on the program. We're gonna be teaching you a healthy eating side here. Neil's gonna be teaching you there, Dr. Neil Burnett, Dr. Physical Therapy. He's got the exercise side for you. We want you to be your best. A good book I like to show is Norman Walker's book. Read it many, many years ago. Fresh Vegetable and Fruit Juices. Still available. It's a really good one. A little thin one. It's like a couple dollars for used on up to $3 or $4 or $5, $6, $8, okay? Well worth it. I forget what I paid many years ago. I probably paid the $5.95. Or maybe it's $8 now. This is a long time ago. Okay, there's that. That's a good one there, okay? Now, carrot apple. If you want to add some greens to it, we're going to be doing some smoothie juices and some juice smoothie combinations where you can add greens. Cheers again. This is good. Beautiful. Really nice. If you wanted to add some greens, simple and easy, here's what I recommend. All right, is a protein. We'll have it available for you. And it adds a lot of greens. Alfalfa, spinach, it adds beet, barley green, wheatgrass greens, powder, okay? And so what you do is like this, okay? Let me show you this. So I take the blender. You're gonna need, you wanna have this device, you got a good juicer. We'll be talking about what kinds of juicers, what we use. This is what we use in the juice bar. So dump this into here. If this is a simple way to kind of blend in that protein powder, 15 grams of protein, you're gonna be working out in this program, getting in shape, being your best, better than you've probably been, maybe your best shape, okay? And then put a scoop. So here's a little over a scoop, 15 grams protein right there. You're gonna need that each day. That's part of your protein you need each day, kind of each meal time. And just a couple seconds on there. Back over to your drink. All right, add a little bit of a green tint to it. Not much sweetener in here. There's, let's see, there's some cherry for a sweetener in here, and also a little bit of stevia in this. But it is a plant-based, really good, healthy, this is my favorite protein right here. And there's another protein that doesn't have the greens to it that we can get set up for you. Add a little bit of green to it, but there it is, carrot apple. Add some greens, simple and easy way to do it this way. Or you're gonna, if you've got the greens, I'm gonna be making drinks here that have then kale and cucumber and a lot of other greens, spinach and ginger added to here. So not a green, but one that's a lot of good benefit there. Okay. Okay. Excellent. Protein into that. Great drink for you. Stay healthy. Be your best. Fourscore Physical Therapy website, fourscorept.com. Let's say that right. Thanks for being here, and get set up, and we look forward to helping you out, okay? Again, George Burnett, Fourscore Physical Therapy. Thanks a lot. Better turn it off now. Very good. Thanks now.